What is up guys, TheLonelyGamer here, bringing you a different type of video. It's a creative hub that me and, well, Block PvP and I have built. He's not in the call right now and at the moment doesn't have the ability to record, so I'm doing it for him and speaking on his behalf. I'd say most of this is built by him, but as I said he can't upload, so I'm going to do it for him. Pretty much this is hopefully a hub for a server. Hopefully a server contacts us and wants us as their hub. So we've got the vines and the mud, grass blocks and the stone, like hills, and down here would be like the centre part, like you'd spawn in like here, for example, or somewhere, or like here, and we've got different game modes. As you can see here, just game modes, like a shop, a scenery in the background, and trees to give it a nice sort of forest feel to it, and a little like pool there, like a little pond. So as I said, this is built by me and Block PvP, Block PvP and me, and hopefully a server contacts us. So if you need a hub for a server, contact me, and we could sort something out. In the meantime, this has been TheLonelyGamer and Block PvP. Peace.